What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I talk about how to make money online every single day. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money, and also if you're interested in Amazon gift cards, you can get free Amazon gift cards just by doing a lot of tasks online. Okay, but before I proceed, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day. So let's dive into it and I will show you what this is all about. As you can see on the screen, this is called pointsprices.com, which is a website where you can do various kinds of tasks to make money or to redeem your points to get the free Amazon gift cards. Not only that, you will also get other gift cards like eBay and other stores, right? Now, so how it works. The first, let's take a look at this website. Earn free Amazon gift card codes. This is really simple. What you have to do is you have to first enter your email address here, then create an account, and always check this with account updates, and you should also check this in case you want to receive offers and stuff like that, so that you can get more and more free gift cards, right? So after you register, what the offer you is that advertisers wants to reward you for learning about their free products and service. So you just have to learn about that. And there is also service available which you can finish to get paid. Okay, these are the paid service. You will get paid in points. Okay, now the next thing you can do is you can if you love watching videos, this is a really great opportunity for you because advertisers are here, wants you to watch their videos and you will also get paid for that. Okay, this is so simple, and you will get daily bonuses if you are active with this website every single day. If you log in and stuff, like, they will provide you some kind of bonuses and also some cool giveaways. Okay, now convert your points into free Amazon gift card codes. This is a way you can legally get free Amazon gift cards, and if you really want more gift cards like this is a really good website for you. Now the first thing, how it works is you'll be able to earn points by completing offers such as submitting your email address for a company's newsletter or filling out a survey. These points can be exchanged for prizes such as Amazon gift cards or gift codes or whatever you say. So it's cool. Our offers are very easy to complete, and within an hour you might be able to earn enough points to get you. That means you will get paid in terms of points, which can later be redeemed, and it can be redeemed in the form of Amazon gift card. And also they support this eBay, Apple, Skype, Microsoft. There are so many gift cards available which you can redeem anytime you want, as soon as you get the required amount of points accumulated in your account. Simple as that. So this is what it's all about. And let's take a look at this company. Okay, this is a genuine company. They really pay, and they really offer a lot of stuff like this. And also you can refer more. This is an affiliate program here. As you can see, it is a referral program, and affiliate program are kind of different. As you can see, for years we have helped thousands of creators to achieve their dream of making money online. Points Prizes is one of the most trusted rewards. Okay, it's fine. And we pay more, unlike traditional advertisers who pay for clicks or views. We pay for actions. That means that if you bring us quality traffic, we can afford to pay you 10 to 100 times more than you would earn from traditional ad networks. They're a platform. Obviously they're a platform. Exchange points for PayPal money payments. That means $20 minimum payment. Okay, that means if you accumulate some points, you can also redeem via PayPal. Okay, which is really awesome if you want to get cash. Or instead, if you really love Amazon gift cards, this can be a great way to get Amazon gift cards. And I really like what they are doing. and okay, you can monetize your video YouTube video description. That means if you promote this referral section under your every YouTube video, you can do that, like creating a video on this website and then you can put it there to make more money. And they're literally showing you how you can make more money by referring people, and that's really incredible, right? And these are what they support. They also support Steam, and that's incredible. They have support Amazon gift cards and Nintendo eShop, and there are a lot of stuff. So I don't see a reason why you shouldn't use this website for your own benefit. Let's get to the home page, and this is where you will start. Create an account and get started today, and you'll be able to redeem a lot of you can even get paid via PayPal if you want. You can convert the points into cash, which will get directly paid to your PayPal account. Okay, and the minimum amount you must have is around $20. Something you should accumulate the points, which is equal to $20. So that would be enough to request a payout via PayPal. Otherwise, you can get Amazon gift cards. That's what this video is all about. This is about getting free Amazon gift cards, and it's really awesome. And I know there's some people who really love free gift cards and stuff like that, and who doesn't love free, right? So this is incredible, and this is a great way to get some free points and stuff like that. So I hope this video is really helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day on YouTube, and I will keep posting more and more videos in the future. So stay tuned, guys, and also don't forget to smash that bell icon, okay? Otherwise you will not get any notification when I post a new video on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and as a disclaimer, this you might not make any dime or any money from it by following my method or tutorial, and this will take some time, and there's no guarantee we'll make money, but just remember that everything takes time, and you have to be really patient if you want to make money online, because it is not an overnight thing and it takes a lot of time. And also if you can consistently do this, and you will see, gradually you'll be able to see the results, and you will see, okay, you'll be happy, right, once you see the results. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys, and I'll post more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.